If you want to organize your hosting a website better and make it easier for visitors to jump to different parts of your page, then learning how to name a section in Hostinger is super useful. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to open your website builder, find the section you want, set an anchor name, and publish the changes so everything works properly live on your site. And if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Hostinger walkthroughs and website building tips. Let's get started. First, go to hPanel.hostinger.com and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click Websites. This will show you the websites connected to your account. Now find the domain you want to edit, and next to it, click Edit Website. This opens the Hostinger website builder for that specific site. Once the builder loads, scroll down the page until you find the section you want to name. This could be your Hero section, About section, Services area, Pricing block, Contact area, or any other part of the page that you want people to link to directly. To select it, click anywhere inside that section. When the section is selected, Hostinger will show a floating toolbar on the screen. From that toolbar, click Edit Section. Now the Section Settings panel will open on the side. Inside those settings, look for the Anchor tab. This is where Hostinger lets you assign an anchor ID to that section. In the Anchor ID field, type the name you want to use. For example, if your section is about your business, you might change the anchor to About. If it's a pricing section, you could use Pricing. If it's for contact details, you could use Contact-S. A very important tip here is to keep the name lowercase and use hyphens instead of spaces. So instead of typing something like Contact Us, use Contact Us. This makes the anchor cleaner, more reliable, and easier to use in links. You can also rename an existing anchor if you want to update it later. Just make sure the new name is clear and relevant to the content in that section. After you enter the new section name, double-check that everything looks correct. If you plan to link to this section from a button or menu item later, the anchor name needs to match exactly. Even a small mistake can stop the link from working properly, so take a second to confirm the spelling before saving. When you're ready, go to the top right corner and click Publish or Update Website. This saves your changes and makes the anchor name live on your website. If you don't publish, the section name may not be visible to your visitors. So this final step is very important. And that's it. You've now learned how to name a section in Hostinger using the website builder and anchor settings. This is a great way to improve navigation, create smoother one-page websites, and let visitors jump straight to the section they want. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.